Peace, my brothers and sisters, kings and queens, investors, spectators, lovers of this crypto market, whomever you are. Let's take a look at these charts and see what the world or what these charts are showing us today. Right now, we're looking at Bitcoin. We're looking at a monthly chart. Once again, when we look at a monthly chart, each candle represents a month's worth of trading data. And currently, we're about 8 days into the month of August. Now, the current candle, which is the last one that you're going to see to the far right, is green, which means we're looking at a bullish month so far. Now, if you look at the candle to the left of that, it's also green, which means the month of July was a bullish month for the Bitcoin as well. Now, that followed 3 bearish months, right? So far, things are looking very bullish on Bitcoin. Let's see, we had a low of about $28,800 on Bitcoin. Now to have reached an area of 44,006. What's that? I'm sorry, I just missed it. That was a current price of 44,664. Now, price, of course, is definitely moving as I do this video. This is a live video with the current time of the recording. Now, let's see. Bitcoin will not be entering an area of supply. It is actually in an area of supply right here and right now, so it might have some resistance, but I don't believe most of those sellers are going to be stepping in until it starts getting closer to the previous highs, which we're looking at above 58,000. Now, let's look at a weekly. Wow, weekly has been doing very well. Now, it was in a range. Look at this range that it had here. This was the low. This was the high of that range. It's broken the high of that range. As far as liquidity, that sell liquidity was right in this area. And it just ran through that liquidity area right there, right? So now it's looking to go higher up, and it's not going to see, and you're not really going to see too many sellers step in until about 56,500 about here, okay? And that's once again when it starts seeing the previous highs that Bitcoin was experiencing before, approaching that $60,000 area. So for the past 3 weeks, Bitcoin has been very bullish. That is looking good. That is looking very good, right? Now, if Bitcoin is looking bullish, that means a lot of the other cryptos are going to start looking bullish as well. Okay? So let's see if Bitcoin continues to hold. Of course, if it's been looking bullish on the daily, it's definitely going to be looking, on the weekly, it's definitely going to be looking bullish on the daily. Daily, it's been breaking those highs. Boom, it broke those swings right there. Broke that one, broke that one, it broke that one. It broke this one. Tested it a little bit, pushed it down. Then it started going right back up and broke that even most recent one. So yeah, Bitcoin is looking very bullish right about now. Let's take a look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum started the monthly, work our way down for the past 2 months. Actually, for the current month, it looks very bullish. It already broke the highs of the previous month, with ended bullish. So things are looking pretty strong on Ethereum. It gave us another chance of re-entry at low prices just above that 1694. So we'll just call it 1700. For those of us who was looking for entry under 2000, if you manage to lock in on any of those prices, you're probably experiencing some profit right now when it's currently trading around 3,114. Let's call it $15. And it looks like it's going to be pushing up higher. Now, mind you, this is the monthly chart. So every candle here represents a month worth of the trading data. Let's look at weekly. Looks like this bullishness has been taking place for the past 3 weeks, which include this one, which will be ending today. So this is current week trading, which ends today, the previous week, and the week previous to that. All 3 bullish candles in a row took out this high here, which could be considered an area of supply because the amount of trading that took place over these 3 weeks, up and down, up and down. Sellers and buyers got caught in this area, right? It already broke through it. It's pushing higher. It is pushing higher. Daily. Boom, look at that. Look at that. That's straight bullishness right there. From that low. Just about 1750 all the way up. Boom. right? So if you bought one coin, you're looking at over $1,000 worth of profit, well over that, right? If you caught these lows. All right, folks, that's Bitcoin and Ethereum. A quick view on those two. Hope to see you guys again. Love to share this information with you guys. Peace, profits, and blessings.